Hello everyone, I just wanted to make a quick video this evening to talk about what I've been doing over the last 2 weeks. I promised that I would only post a video if I had something interesting to say, and so I didn't post a video last week, but this week I thought I would just kind of get us caught up. The thing that I'm really struggling with is the geometry of this upper camera studio. The challenge is that in CAD you need to draw a plane in order to draw any of the features of the coin bot. And in this case, the coin stacker is not perpendicular to any other surface on the coin bot. So it made it really hard to figure out how exactly I was supposed to create a surface that was not perpendicular to the rest of the features of the coin bot. Well, I finally got that figured out, but then the challenge became, how can I 3D print that? Because as you may have realized, when you're 3D printing something in layers, it likes to have things all perpendicular or parallel to each other. I went through several different versions of this printout. The first one kind of is a hollow shape, and that was what I used in the last video to kind of demonstrate what I was trying to go for. But in this final version, I wanted to actually create flat surfaces that I could mount pieces to and have them rotate. But because none of those surfaces are parallel or perpendicular to each other, that made them very difficult to print out. So I printed a few different versions to see how they turned out. You can see that we got a little bit of fuzziness here on this print. The last thing I figured out in CAD was how to split up a part into several different pieces so that I could print out each of those pieces individually and not have to worry about all those weird angles. And in this version, there was pretty extreme overhangs. So this is actually the first time I ever used support material in my 3D prints. I printed a little tree first, and that allowed it to print these parts with extreme overhangs. So I'm not sure if this meets the standard of having something interesting to say, but I did want to say that I've really been struggling over the last couple of weeks to work out the geometry of this camera studio. So this was kind of what I ended up with. There's still a lot of tweaking to do, and I still need to get this cut up into enough pieces that I can 3D print it more efficiently. But I think that's enough for this video. As always, if you have feedback for me about how I can create better geometry for the CoinBot or how I can make better videos, please leave a comment down below. But for now, that's my 2 cents. Thanks for watching, everyone. Stay awesome.